With federal immigration agents entering cities like Chicago and Manitowoc, Voces de la Frontera and other immigrants' rights organizations say planning ahead is essential for families who are concerned about increased immigration enforcement in Milwaukee. Here are the organization's tips on developing a plan for interacting with immigration enforcement agents. If a person is detained, family members should establish an emergency contact who can help, like a family member or an immigration attorney. Family members should memorize the number of their emergency contact and the number of an emergency hotline. Voces de la Frontera's rapid response hotline number is 1-800-427-0213. The organization also recommends carrying and compiling a list of phone numbers to share with family members and an emergency contact. The list should include contact information for family members, an immigration attorney, a hotline, schools, caregivers, and employers. Advocates recommend making copies of important documents for each member of the family, such as passport IDs, green cards, I-94 work authorization forms, and birth certificate. If original copies have been lost, request new copies of the documents. To stay organized, try to store all original documents and copies in separate folders and mark them privileged and confidential. Create a one-page sheet for each family member containing their legal name, date of birth, country of birth, medical conditions, medication list, and the family member's A number or alien registration number if applicable. These documents can be passed on to an attorney. Voces de la Frontera recommends that families consider filling out power of attorney forms with a family member or emergency contact, which will allow individuals to choose who can manage their finances and care for their children in the event of an emergency. Copies of these forms can be obtained by emailing Voces de la Frontera at vldf@vldf.org or by visiting the Wisconsin State Law Library's website. Once completed, the documents can be shared with a power of attorney. Advocates recommend that families pack an emergency bag with copies of important documents, medications, emergency contact information, and a change of clothes, and an emergency cash fund if possible. For more detailed instructions and recommendations from Voces de la Frontera, visit the link in our bio or jsonline.com for English and Spanish translations of this article.